No nä ndä renda kå ria atä rä rä tondå ndä na kä å rio kä hinga cai nä getha tå thi mageca-inä ma Dr. Mageca kaä andå mataraiganani twathi kå rä a ikaä ithuä tå rakinyä rä rwo rä Nyandarua kaä tå taraigananio kä rä a tå rarä a kå rä a kå rä a kwa wanko
kå raringana na rä rä na assignment ä rä a må raheo Taru andå a må ranga marahetwo assignment ä rä kå Raigua assignment yao.
Ay, marahetwo assignment ya gugatuta.
Tikio maraheo nginya ko. Aya raigua mararire nyeni ki? Mararire nyeni hakuhi ĩka igĩrĩ cia nyeni.
Muranga.
Aca agethi. Muranga no marerwo assignment yao. Maheo kiria maraheo mauge tutam oguo agethi mararia wega matigataithĩrĩrie matiangi kũrũgama
Nitokeire tetwo itikamwebia
sine professional magana matatu 300 professionals
shira matereba
Kiambu metete au
Awapoi wa Githurai Muranga maine irone kama adawa kioni au gomeria ta captures in a time sabijo tuinuke anytime
gethi mareta professionals 300
ungi wa ngogoyora inete kuu ndiretagwo maroni ngogoyora athiaga munyoro ni athire tingihota ithu turi andu ugi Okay, munyoro ni arehete thina mwingi muno guku iyo bururi urugamite
atugire ta bururi
ni professional ici reigira
isi professional isi marariaga tandoori marinated chicken chunky chicken on the bone
Ithu turayora mboco athuri makarenga mwangi iwa ngoma
Raigua mararia ki?
Araria ki tandika menu iyo. Na ni nyandika gakwa kangia kawanjiku.
Na reke ru kuthomere wega. Nguhe menu. Marambiririe na thubu.
Haya, riu yo ni starter.
Starter.
Haya, starter. Haya, na ni hangandika iyo ni ya professionals.
Yes.
Na ni nyandika ya gia.
Ya gia.
Gia.
Ya professionals.
Yes.
Ikauga atiriri. The professionals was spoiled for choices.
Right.
Kurare na French onion soup.
Yeah.
Butternut squash soup in olive oil,
yes,
and herbs simmered in vegetable stock, soup of the day, whose ingredient is saffron, garlic, tomato, and parsley, and vegetable soup with bread loaves and butter.
Eyo ni starter. Mwira munene akinyete. Haya, kenani nguhe starter ya gia. Gia ni kumira. Kiaro. Makaba makainero gutire mugwe. Mwira nene moke. Eyo ni starter. So starter gutire mugwe. One more song for Martin to say Shinigia. Then we can do
yes
one this one. What else can we give these people? Matene kite kuria nyekine rioi before the starter. This starter.
Mekirire Jesse Murio kuka ni mukomire.
I think we can give them one. Rwama twine. Korea tumete na Korea tuthiete no ngai mutheri. Haya, go main course.
Haya, main course. Not just a meal but a craft.
Haya, ndariganiro sorry ndariganiro keria this starter. Ya gia. Hena wapi Ndulu. Andike ona wendeke ko
Ndulu
served with sun on top of grass.
Yes.
Haya, and you have not bathed. No bathing.
And a tenderon of Jesse Murioku. Served hot with guacamole. Very good. To the main dessert. Haya, main dessert
main menu.
Yes, main menu. Not just a meal, but a craft.
Yes.
Beef rib eye stick.
Guy. No, ribeye ne kuga atira. Ribeye is about 4,500. Yeah. 200 grams.
Yes.
Grain fed or grass fed?
On a dio
Shirida pious goge moredant.
Eyo ne marariaga beef rib eye stick grilled in busted butter served with roast potatoes and kachumbari. Or spring lioness potatoes and vegetables. Horera. Others ate shredded chicken, sauteed in hoisin, thigh sweet chili sesame oil.
Thigh for thigh moduri. Thigh land. Thigh.
Oh, thigh.
Thigh moduri. Thigh.
Thigh sweet chili sesame oil.
Yes.
And capsicum served with onion fried rice. Little did they know video.
Haya tuthie nake Gia kiharo.
Yes.
Akero wapi dulu ugai tutam kumi bwekse. Aya koguo haha ni tutam
andika kumi bila break. KBB. Andika hau KBB.
Marinated KBB. Via Don. KBB.
Served with
hot and sour.
Produced by Don.
By Don sauce. KBB. Hiyo ni main menu.
Hiyo hati na kusagura. Hati ate choose this or this.
Obe itiri ratwero. Oiga dereva si parking.
Dereva si hali ya parking.
Cia itanga ici. Hare ke tuthi mwena wa Gia.
Matigire.
Obe. No he. Githeri. Uthata kiria ki muci.
Guo itina hurwo. Ugikiurire thaa cigana?
Ngũkũ itire irio. Ni mera if I don't want to be a Gia. Irojete mundu ngui. Yeni kana rero kindu ta kiu ringi nie.
Ongerera hau. Shaitanga ri. At leaders with exotic taste yale matariaga indo o uguo.
Ale mera sukari.
Ale mera sukari.
Na stroke.
Aya nio mararehereirwo riri. Australian beef, grass fed in the lush Tara Valley near Melbourne, shipped into Kenya. Eyo ne nyama ya kurehwo.
Of course from South Africa.
Yes. Karehwo guku. Macoka marikia kuria ri. Nigetha irio cihote guikara wega ndari. Marareherwo dessert. Sweet tart filled with macadamia nuts, topped with vanilla ice cream, toffee pudding, caramelized Dutch apple steamed pudding, frozen white chocolate mousse, and lemon cheesecake. 7 p.m.
Aya korago moyago marogotagwo 2 a.m. na bathi cia cukuru. Ne Gia 2 a.m. school bus. 2 a.m. school bus. We need to have this one. School bus. Aya dessert atoigane cheese and cake.
Dessert mararia kidu gitagwo sweet tart filled with macadamia nuts topped with vanilla ice cream, toffee pudding, caramelized Dutch apple steamed pudding, frozen with chocolate mousse and lemon cheesecake. Between 30,000 and 100,000 depending on one status.
So once we started at 2 a.m. school bus, then
we sat down.
We sat down on the grass and plastic seats. Then we sang no spear, no sting,
no spear.
Wapi duru. Then we can say KBB kumi bila break.
Squared.
Then we can also say dessert and push 1 kg beans.
That's a dessert.
90 bob. Then we can also figure out if worst comes to us, half kg rice. Then you scream.
Add fare
200 because
and then we are left with
you're just around home. Then 1 puff like tobacco for aeroplane flying
going home.
$200 is better than 64 bob. I want to get married to a French. I want to give my citizenship back. Ndenda kuheana citizen yoyo. No ragora. Ndenda kuhikio ni Mufaraja, if not Germany.
Kana ukihike guku githii.
Sha. Ndenda karamari. Haya.
Ya.